viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. One tomato. 1 to 2 tomatoes you can keep in each slice. If you want, you can also add more, but I'm not going to add more. I want only 2 slices. And now I'm going to take a cheese slice and I'm going to place it on top of it. If you want, you can also add the regular cheese grated. And if you want it to be a little more cheesier, you can add both the cheese. And now I'm going to cover this and press it. Cover it and press it lightly. If you want, you can also add cucumber, but I'm not going to add. This is sufficient for me. And now on top, I'm going to spread some more butter. This recipe is just so simple and you can just make this in 5 to 10 minutes and you can also eat this as a breakfast or evening snack. This is a perfect street food of Mumbai. So this is done. You can use a sandwich maker to grill this or you can also grill this on a pan. Now I'm going to brush some butter on the sandwich maker. And now I'm going to place my sandwiches. And now I'm going to close this. And I'm going to toast this for 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. I will show you on the pan as well. I have taken a non-stick pan, I have kept it on low flame. Now I'm going to add some butter and just rub it. And now I'm going to place my sandwiches on top. Now I'm going to toast them on high flame. So my sandwiches are done. And now I'm going to take some save and I'm going to take the sandwiches. I have cut them into half and I'm going to just dip it over here. That's it. Just place it. So this is my Bombay veg sandwich. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and family and continue to give me your support. Keep watching.